to the channel. This is Lisa and you're watching Yogi Hollow Farm. And today we're going to be making a PVC feeder for the meat birds. And I'll take you down there in just a minute. But at the end, I'm also going to talk to you a little bit about what's going on here and what are some of the new updates. So stick around for the end. But first, let's go check out the PVC pipe feeder. So Ryan just secured boards on either side to make sure that it didn't go anywhere. This is a piece of PVC pipe we were able to salvage, so we got it for free. And it's got a crack in it, so he'll tell you what he's going to do when we get there.
Yeah, I'm going to square the ends up right now.
Okay. And I'm chasing a piece of PVC pipe that is going down the driveway. Oh my word. Finally. So I got the piece that went down the driveway, but you can see that's why I used the electrical tape to square it up, because it was really rough. And he made some marks here to follow as a guideline. And he's going to do the same thing on this side, so we will be right back. Now Ryan has both of the ends squared up. He's going to remove the tape. And what's next?
And then we're going to cut the slot.
Cut the slot for it. And the slot, you said, is designed to try and keep some of the water out?
Try to keep the water out and provide enough to put enough food in the tray.
And
so it'll be a tray, if you will.
And last year, we had a really large feeder, but we noticed when we had a lot of birds, when we went to process, the meat birds were not of equal weights. They were varying weights. So we think that the hogs were at the feeder all the time and the other ones weren't getting in there. So we're trying to minimize that so that way we get more equal weights.
So what I'm going to try to do is just remove this cracked piece.
Okay.
All the way across.
And he's using a T-square to do that. He's going to use a jigsaw to cut these here. Now Ryan is cutting out circles to go in the end of the PVC. Next, he's going to screw these in here to secure them using self-tapping screws. Now he has both ends secured with the self-tapping screws, so the ends are secure. And we did this instead of putting holes in it because we wanted to make sure they all could access the feed. So let me step back so you can see it. He's just filing off the sharp edges where he cut the PVC. Do the same on the other side. And that's a template you cut out for yourself?
No, that's the leg, and then I'll just duplicate it for you.
Right. So you saw how he did that. And then he'll just make a second one for the other side. Brian tested it, fits around the feeder good, so he's going to make another one just like it. Ryan's going to use the same type of self-tapping screws to secure the ends. And you're using self-tapping because?
Oh, because you don't have to pre-drill or anything.
Gotcha.
And that's what we have.
Yeah, all of this is made out of stuff we had on hand or salvaged, so free. There you have it. Our meat bird PVC feeder for free. So now we're all ready and we just have to wait for the meat birds to get big enough. But that'll be awesome. It is a beautiful day today. It is close to 60 degrees. The winds are breezy versus howling, which is nice. Chickens are out enjoying things. And now they think I have treats. Turkeys have had their pens cleaned out. So have the pigs. Pigs got their barns cleaned out for a nice spring clean. They got some barn lime in their pens. And we're just letting houses dry up because, you know, the boys, they like to go to the bathroom in their house. So we're letting it dry up before we put shavings. There's the bearded lady in the girls' house too, letting it dry up a bit before we put in their shavings for the night. Hi, girlies. That's Miss Eleanor, and that's Fifi on the other side. Dwight looks like he's found something cool. What are you doing, Dwight? You digging, you find some worms? What you doing, Sherm? What you doing, my boo? My buddy. I know. Grant's over there. And everybody's got dry skin because lots of itching. Itchy scratchies. Right, Miss Eleanor? Oh, you're such a good girl. I love your snoot. Fifi, you got some itches? So we did all this spring cleaning because it needed to be done, but we have a winter storm coming again, which is fine. We need it. So the funniest thing is one of the models said 1 to 3 feet of snow. So I'll believe that when I see it. I don't think we're going to get 3 feet, but it's been known to happen. So we'll play it by ear. But in the meanwhile, we got everything done. Everybody's ready, which is the good part. So that's what we needed to do today. And I'll take you in the greenhouse. We got some radishes coming up, some spinach, some Parisian carrots, some Vulcan Swiss chard, Georgia collards. So everything's coming up. I got to get in here and water. But let me show you the new babies in the garage. These these are our meat birds. I've lost count about where we're at and how many we have, but the black one right there is Royal Gray Broilers. The one behind it is a Red Ranger. And we ended up with 2 Cornish crosses. But we have about 30 is what I'm going to say. It might be a little less. But that'll be our meat birds. So the Cornish cross will be they're the quickest ones to process. The Royal Gray Broilers come next, and then the Red Rangers are last. We decided not to go to a hatchery this year, and we decided to just buy them right from a local store because we wanted to make sure we were able to get them this year. So that's our new babies. They're a week old. And the ones that are left are doing really good. We did have a lot of loss early on. And this is just to keep them from flying out and flying up into the lights. So we just don't want anybody getting hurt, burnt. So we just put that on there. And as you can see, it'll take a little bit to get out of there. So I'm going to do that now so I can give them water and feed. And get that all set. All right, guys. So there you have it. Quick and easy, free meat bird feeder out of PVC pipe. And we're going to call it a day because I don't know if you can see. The sun is gone and the clouds are moving in. So I got to go put the shavings in the barn and get everybody fed and get us fed. So have a good day. Thanks for watching. Take care.